You can use Elastik on macOS and Windows with any DAW that supports VST2, VST3, AAX, or audio unit plugins. First, load the Elastik plugin onto an instrument channel. You can load Elastik as a stereo or multi-out plugin. Select the multi-out version so we can add effects to individual loops later. We use the browser to choose loops from our installed sound banks. With the browser, we can pre-listen loops in tempo sync with the DAW. We can also enable Retune Sync to pre-listen loops in a specific key and scale. We choose a drum loop and load it to the pad C1 and edit the start point of the loop. We set the output routing for this loop to out 3 and 4. Now we create a MIDI region on the instrument channel and draw a MIDI note 4 bars on C1. Hit play in your DAW and the drum loop will start. We take another bass drum layer to extend the drum loop in the subfrequencies. Load this loop onto the pad C#1 and tune the bass drum until you are satisfied with the result. Finally, draw the corresponding MIDI notes. Next, we choose a clap. We use a so-called single sound. As you can see, Elastik is not only a loop player. We add a jazz drum loop and edit it using the sequence mode. With this mode, you can program changes via a set grid into your loop. The conga loop contains a lot of tonal information, so we use Retune to sync it to our key. This works on other drums and percussion as well. Now we add a short overdub drum loop and edit it with sequence mode. For the next loop, we use slice mapping. This way we can rearrange the individual slices as needed. Each slice can have a different length. Next is the bass. We use Retune to sync it to our scale and key. To add variety, we shorten the loop by 1/16 of the grid while having the MIDI note run for the full 2 bars. This shifts the rhythm of the bass in relation to the drums. You can get very interesting results varying the length of your loops. We use Retune on the piano and guitar loop as well to sync the key and scale. The lead synth is not only retuned but also reversed. Next, we load a loop using chromatic mapping to play a simple melody. Select all chromatic mapped loops and change the start point. Chromatic mapping also works great on percussion instruments. Finally, we gather a few short trumpet licks for a solo. 2 loops are retuned while another one is reversed to give it more variety. Here is the final result. You can export loops from Elastic to WAV format. Modified exports the loops with all the changes made in Elastic. You can then re-import the modified loops into your DAW. Original exports the loops without the changes we made in Elastic. By the way, you can download a demo sound bank from our website for free. Have fun producing. Elastic. Loop to inspire.